working on. Today, the President of January,
if you are taking photographs, please remember that our customers are using the tube to travel, and flash photography and tripods are prohibited on London Underground property. For everyone's safety, please remain behind the yellow line on the platform. Thank you.